Beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.
What up? We here. Just got right back into my seat just now. What up, Alan? Happy kids. Jan, good evening. Lego. Are currently long over here. Currently on the longest of sides. Looking for a little 25-point scalperoonie. Coming into the 8 o'clock hour here. Got the macro coming up in just a minute. Just sat down at the computer. What up, James? Welch. Why that? Oh, man. All right, let's get a little giveaway going for you guys. Just a little giveaway. Why not? Let's kick it off right, guys. If you're just joining us, hit that like button on your way in. No messing around. No messing around. What up, Sovereignty? But yeah, looking for a little banger here, a little banger up into the 148 level. Kind of got above that PM high there. So I'm expecting this push up here. See if we can't get it. Start the day off with a little W. Surprisingly, there've been no inside bar. What up, Tony? Grand Rising. No inside bar on silver tonight. There's been one on gold. It did bang. What up, JJ? So yeah, exclamation point MM in the chat if you want to enter the giveaway. Get in there. Get in there. Oh, I'm talking about on silver biblical. Silva. I don't know if you guys saw the news. Did you guys see the Apex news? They kind of did the same stuff that Top Step did. It really makes no effing sense, to be honest with you. Yeah, I'm always trading one contract. Bulanox is still 89% off. So this is Apex, guys. You no longer can trade gold, silver, E-mini silver, E-mini gold, E-micro gold, copper, platinum, palladium. They are saying that you can't trade them at all. Top Step didn't even do that. Top Step just restricted the trading of the micros. That's just so stupid. To me, they're trying to use the excuse saying like margin requirements, this, that, and the other, but let's be honest, these are sim accounts. They're not affected by margin requirements. I mean, that just makes no sense. So dumb. They just don't want people getting in there and getting some profits and getting on their way, getting large payouts and things like that. So I don't know. I just think it's dumb to include gold in that, especially micro gold. Now, I don't really trade those on those accounts, but I know there are some people that do. So, what up, Adam? Yeah, exactly, biblical. I wouldn't, yeah, the other one's still good, but I wouldn't be shocked if the other ones follow suit. I heard someone say that earlier, and I was like, I don't know if they will. And now I think that they might have knew something, right? Because why would you think others would follow suit without some sort of information? Top Step's going to gain new customers. Well, I don't know, Synergy. They just did the same thing. They're restricted the sizing that you can trade on micros. But you can still trade it on all the other props. It's just annoying. I mean, like I said, it doesn't affect me, but I know there's some people out there who trade strictly gold and that sort of thing. Guys, you got hours left in the Apex 90% off sale. Hours. You got hours left in the 89% off sale for Bulanox. Code MM on Bulanox, code MYTH, MYTH on Apex. So, we'll see. What up, Futures Trader? What's that? Yeah, that's true, Synergy. They didn't completely cut it out. What up, Silicon? I'm long, JJ. We are long. Long-ish. We're long. 1 micro. We'll add down here at the 100. So we will add long and premium. Yeah, the thing is, John, this wasn't based on that. This was more or less based on like the fact that we got above the PM high, and we kind of got some liquidity up to the top side there. Also, there's not a whole lot to the downside, that's available. So Synergy's long too. What up, Mo? Good luck, JJ. You're short. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. They want to avoid the silver hunt that comes in a month or two because of the outstanding orders on silver. Well, the thing is, Jan, I mean, I don't know. I still contest that these are sim accounts, and you have consistency rules in the funded, so how bad can you really be hurt? I don't know. So, who knows, who knows, who knows? I'm not sure. We've got 5 minutes until the top of the hour here. Let me make sure I'm watching silver here. All right, we are good. No inside bars on silver so far tonight, so we're just waiting. Probably get one here in the next hour, I guess. I mean, maybe. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Let's get some music going. Sounds weird. They're having to pay more in payouts than their guidance calls for. I don't think so, Synergy. I would really not think so. Because you got to think, man, a lot of people, I mean, like, silver is very, very volatile. So probably just as many people blowing accounts as taking payouts, if not more. So, Mo, no trades until the Asia Open. Nothing wrong with that. I trades in house. I mean, that's not my rule, but I'm okay with it. I'm okay with it. It's fine. Oh, I need to post that. $150 to $300. People full porting silver to make 10K in a day. Not on Apex, Synergy. That doesn't happen on Apex. Can't full port on Apex because they got that 30% consistency rule. That's what I mean. That's why it doesn't make sense for them to do it. They have a consistency rule, so. I mean, like, the accounts that have no consistency rule, like, for those props, it probably is smart. Yeah, metals are account killers. Yeah, so that's why I'm saying with Apex, it makes no sense. They have protections in place, right? And also, they restrict your sizing in the funded account already. to 50% of what you have available before you get to the buffer anyway. So I don't know. It doesn't make that much sense to me, but hey, it's not my business anyway, I guess. You know, they got some sort of reason for doing it, I guess, kind of like you're saying. So who knows? I think they just saw Top Step do it and they were like, that's a pretty good idea. Let's do the same. You know? That's probably what happened. But who knows? Maybe they've been planning it a while. I don't know. It doesn't really affect me, but I do know people that are trading those tickers. And so that's the frustration part. I have accounts with them, but I don't trade those tickers on those accounts. Posting that newsletter here. Oh, what did I do? Oh. Is that the one? 6895 trigger. Yeah, alright. I thought I messed it up for a second. Alright, there we go. Been a stalker here for a while, but first time chatting. Let's go. Thank you. Consistency rule and it's sim funded sounds like an yeah, I agree. They just want our best money. Oh, all good, John. I don't either. Happy kids. Kind of crazy. What up, Denny? Is that top of the hour here? 20 seconds. I can't believe there's been no inside bars on silver tonight. It's insane. I mean, I haven't been at home, so I'm okay with it. But, you know, what up, Punisher? Here is the open, guys. Here 'tis. Here 'tis. Quantire, a static platform. What does that mean? Jock. It is, you got to download something to have it. So if that's what you're asking. So apart from starting to be ban metals, is that true? Yeah, Top Step. Well, Top Step banned the mini versions, but Apex just banned all metals, micros, and minis, basically. So yeah, it takes more than 24 hours, Punisher. There's somebody new doing it, so they're a bit on the slow side. Hold and move the picture of the chart. I don't know what that means. I mean, I can move the chart wherever I want. Is that what you mean? I'm not sure what you mean there. Target 1 acquired. The acquirement of Target 1 has happened. Target 2 up here. Yeah, you can move this unlike Ninja. Yeah, you can do this. You can do it with Ninja too, but you got to hold down Control, I think, to do it. What up, SK? If you get a payout in Apex, do they reset your days or do they continue to add up? No, you have to keep so like it resets. It might show in the dashboard that you're still 15. It might show 15, but you got to count from the day after you got your payout or whatever. Yeah, Jacques, you can do whatever you want with it, up and down. Silver's pulling back here quite nicely. Let me take a look at gold. Gold. I'm not really seeing a bounce spot yet. Kind of looking. I mean, maybe like 49.86. Yeah, no worries, SK. You're done in Ninja because you can't move the screen. Well, if you hold down Control, you can move the screen in Ninja. Hold down Control and then do it with your mouse. You can move it. Da-da. You do that with Ninja as well, but it's an extra keyboard. Is it really? I didn't know that. All right, Jock. Yeah, 49.89-ish. Yeah, that's a good spot. I'm long, bro. If this is green, that means I'm long. If it's red, that means I'm short. We are long. Just looking for a sweep into the highs here. Nothing crazy. Really looking for 25 points here. Already got 12.5 on the first. What up, Dave? Hashtag not trading advice. Yeah, indeed. Do with it what you will. I mean, you know, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. What happened to my 147 target? I moved it down because I got an ad. When I added, it moved my average down. I took 12.5 on the first, and now I'm looking for 25 on the second. I still think it goes to 147. But no, you don't have to hold control. Tell you something good? Pickles taste nice. Dill pickles, very good. Oh, let's go. 9 a.m. here. Let's go, Jan. Where are you at? No problem, Luis. Where are you at, Jan, where it's 9 a.m.? Let me see what time it is here. So you're 12 hours. You got to be like Japan? I don't know. Where are you at? Matt Cowart's dog pickles? Nah. Australia? Japan? I don't know. After you pass the eval, are there any consistency rule? Nope. Take Profit Trader, 0 consistencies. You went on full tilt at close today. Revenge traded. Pisses me off. Need to learn my lessons the hard way. Alpha, that's all a part of it, right? Still in the Philippines. Oh, okay, I couldn't remember. Guys, we might get an inside bar on silver here. There's a big outside. There's a big bar right here, so it might. We might get an inside bar. That's right. You did say you're in Philippines. You said the internet sucks. I forgot. Inside bar. I'm going to take this. I'm taking this right here, guys. Just so you know. I'm taking that. 50 bucks. You the man, 03 Mike. I appreciate you. I don't know if we'll get an inside bar over here on silver or not. I will, oh, wait. I'm looking at the wrong chart, guys. I was looking at gold. Huh. Let me keep silver up. Nah, silver doesn't look like it's going to get one. I do want to bring silver over here. Let me see if I can remember how to do it here. I don't know why. Like, sometimes I just throw it over there and it works. And then other times it doesn't. There we go. All right, let me find the other chart. Is that it right there? That's got to be it. Nope, that's not it. Yep, this is it. There we go. That way we got silver here, Nasdaq here. Let's go. Oh, you guys disappeared, though. Where are you guys at? Let me get you back. There we go. I got you guys up. What up, Zenith? Saw a little more about the inside bar. How do you trade it? As It's just a breakout. So for example, as long as the inside bar prints, which would be the bar right here in white, then the entry is just whatever side breaks the first. So if it breaks to the upside, you long. If it breaks to the downside, you short, and your stop goes at the opposite end. You target a 1-to-1. So for example, if this inside bar creates itself, it's a 105 tick take profit and stop, about $525. So I would do it something like this, and I take a 1-to-1. We'll see. Sherry in the house. Trend's definitely up, David. Gold's pushing up there. Double top, yeah. Stoic, it is definitely some fast moves. Like I said, I think Nasdaq's pushing up to this wick up here. I think 180 is kind of the draw. So, I think it might have hit my, I don't know where my, oh yeah, it would have hit my target there if I hadn't have taken it. All right, we got 1 minute and 13 seconds left on this bar. If it closes inside this one, I'll take it. Now, I like it more to the upside than the downside, but, you know, we don't use bias with it here. 87,950 would kind of be your downside target. Upside. $520. Looks like it's going to probably print. Kimmel, silver's right here. After taking the low of the Google after hours candle, nothing but higher. I agree. I think we're going. I think we're bullish. On the higher time frames, I don't see really anything there that says otherwise. So, all right, got my orders out. There's an inside bar on silver. First one of the night. I think I need this one up a tick more. Something like that. All right. Like I said, I kind of like the upside better, but at the same time, whatever. If it goes up, it goes up. It goes down, it goes down. I don't really care. Plus 160 out. Let's go, Denny. Look at this thing rip. So it would have hit my second, would have hit the full 148 there if I'd held. If I'd left it. So. All right, tagged in short here. Tagged in short on silver. See what we can get. You trade better in the 25Ks? Nothing wrong with that. Yeah, for sure. I used to be the same way. I used to do the same thing. Not a good look, guys. When this wicks and doesn't just go, it almost always stops out. I've noticed that. But let's see if it can push down. Kind of a key level to watch here is obviously going to be this swing here. All right. I'm going to go stop to break even at that swing there at the 88,225. Nice full candle close here would be really good. I'm going to drop it in profit here if we can get a little more push down. Come on. You piece of crap. I'm going to push it down. Get through there. Let's go. Should be nothing holding it up here if he gets through here. There we go. Now I'm locking some in. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Drop the W's in the chat if you took that. Let's go. Pay the man his money. Going good, Conviction. Let's go, Punisher. Nice job. So clean, so clean. Got 200 off that inside buy. Let's go. So, yeah. There it is, guys. There it is. What do we make on that? Let's see. $525. Ding, ding, ding. We'll throw the inside bar P&L over here. Well, that's probably where my face is, right? No, you can still see that. She bangs. You took it on gold? Nice, nice. You're a believer of the inside candle. I'm telling you, I back tested it, so I'm a believer in it too because of the back test. First one of the day, 1 for 1. I mean, I don't know if we'll take another one. We'll probably will if it's less than if we can still be break even on the day. Stop would need to be $500 or $600, and we would take it. See Nasdaq still pushing up here. Again, I'm bullish on Nasdaq tonight. I mean, if we look at why am I bullish? Let's just look at the 4 hour. Look at the 4 hour here. We're going to need a little more than a month, but look at the 4 hour. We look to the left. I mean, we took out everything to the left on that down move. The next 4 hour level really, really the next 4 hour level, I don't know, is here. No, we took out that. We took that out. So you got a wick here, but this is not inside a fair value gap or anything. So I think 150 is kind of your next 4 hour level all the way down. That is a huge move to get down there. So I think we're bullish tonight. You know, at least in the short term. We left this gap up here as well. We left this liquidity up here. I think that's where we're headed ultimately. Maybe not overnight, but eventually. So was that a $1 move on silver? I have no idea. That was 56 cents, but this entire move was probably $1. Yeah, $1.35. I mean, that's the thing. It would be nice if I could like leave a runner on, right? But it's just, I need like a $500,000 account to leave a runner on. Tag that happy zone in the 4 hour, and now it's time to pick up orders. Yeah, I agree. What up, fish lips? What's the inside candle? It is simply a candle that opens and closes inside the previous 5-minute candle. So you can see you got your high and your low of this candle. This candle opened up and closed inside the high and the low of the previous candle. That's an inside bar. I got it set up here to paint it white. And then you just take the breakout. Break out or break down for a 1-to-1. That's it. So that's kind of the idea. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong chart here. Wow, there was an inside bar on gold. I didn't even see it. Gold just blasted right through that 86 level. I don't even think it really, I don't even know if it bounced at all. When gold bounces up, it's going to be violent. Might be. Going to play around with it more. Silver, blue, so many of my accounts. Yeah, this is micro silver, so it's SIL plong. It's a little bit, a little less, well, it's still violent, but a little more forgiving. I'm trading a 150K Lucid Flex account. That's what I'm trading with it. It's about a $200 account. I think it's $207. That is a lie. You could buy the 49.61 level on gold potentially, but hey, Jose Eduardo, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. So I really took the long there on Nasdaq. Obviously, I should have held it, right? Should have held that runner longer, but it's all right. We don't need the entire. We don't need the entire move. Just a little snippet. Just a little part of it. We don't need anything crazy. Do not buy direct to funded accounts with anyone. I personally have them with Lucid, the Lucid Directs. I like those. But Tradeify is very good. They're a little pricey, but they're good. Lucid's very good. Who else has them? Those are the only two I can remember. Your 25K Lucid Flex, you're done for the day. Let's go, Punisher. Win is a win. Let's go. The New York session was a banger, Kevin. We killed it today. Alt Power Seeker, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription, you the man. Lina is here. Let me show you guys this orb trade that I took today. So the purple lines here are my orb, my pre-orb, as Barbie calls it, which is fine. So the pre-orb, and we opened up outside, we pushed back in, and then I had my short sitting here, and we took it for $365 across all funded accounts this morning. It went, how many points did it go? 96, where'd it go? What the points at? 95 points. I probably got 55, 60 points out of this morning. It's the high and the low between 9 and 9:15 a.m. Eastern. In case you're wondering. Just in case you're wondering. Same pre-orb as yesterday, yep. What is the inside candle? Is this an inside bar and indicator on Quantower? Yeah, it is. It is. I would probably go with Lucid, but I think it's a little cheaper. Yeah, same pre-orb, 9 to 9:15 a.m. We yesterday it missed me by 4 ticks. Today it banged. Monday it banged. Very nice. Yeah, it is kind of puking here a little bit, Jonathan. The thing is, like, I don't know. I might look to buy here on silver. I think it's reasonable. Or not silver, gold. Ooh. I just realized I'm not on micro. Where is my micro gold? Right here? I don't want it on that account, though. I gotta get on micro gold. Hold on. Where is my micro gold at? Might miss the trade here. Oh, come on. Well, did I miss it? Yep. God dang it. It already bounced right off my level. I mean, literally bounced right off my level. Crappy. I think prices finally found some support today. Yeah, I think we're going to be going up more. Yeah, I need micro. Got to have the micro. Silver definitely crazy. So many blown accounts on that drop. Yeah, I was able to manage it. You've never take trades in the hours ever, but started because I saw my stream. But 2 a.m. over here. Holy cow. It's the time of the TO server. Yeah. The TO still has a Discord. I mean, it's just kind of private now, but he's in here sometimes this time of night. Look at this guy, it's so sick. Look at that. STO would say to the pixel. I literally drew the line out, and that's where I was looking to long at, but I could not get MGC on the chart fast enough. Dang it. Missed it. All right. That's annoying. Annoying. Try Palladium? Nah. Listen, I'm already getting the degen in enough, you know? We are pulling back into the 118 level over here on NQ. Might be another opportunity here to take a long. One day the server was just gone. Yeah, it's he has it. I don't know if I can invite you. Let me see. I mean, I don't even know. Now it's called the Legacy Group, TO Legacy Group. I can invite you, I guess, but I don't know if TO get. I mean, whether or not he accepts you, I don't know. I'm gonna post it in the chat for 30 seconds. There it is, and you hit it now while it's in the chat because I'm about to delete it. Mike. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It gone. Technically, I'm not supposed to invite anybody to that, so hopefully you got it. The hell was that? Oh. Did I turn my headphones off? I did. I accidentally turned them off. All right. Well, the action's kind of slowing down a little bit, as it tends to do, you know, sometime around this time of day. He was there every day before. He also gave you a rank because he liked my name. Let's go. Yeah, I mean, if he remembers you, I'm sure he'll accept you. He's still doing the same thing in this new Discord. He's a little more private about it. Too many people like asking him to do stuff and things like that, so he wants it to be a little more private. You know, time is precious, so he doesn't like telling people no, so that's kind of the deal there. But man, guys, this is so annoying. It's so tempting here. I'm tempted to long here, but yeah, Ash, I missed it too. Or did you miss the inside bar on silver? I'm annoyed because I missed a trade on gold. I literally marked out the level on gold and just missed it. I do think the better trade on gold is going to be down here. Like the best opportunity probably is if it can make it to like that 48.93 area. That's probably the best spot. Or 49.18 if you want to be a little more aggressive. We'll see. I'm going to buy the 25 level here on Nasdaq. Come on, give me a little pullback here. Yeah, if not, DM me, Mike, if you don't get in, or Mickle, whatever your name is, Michael. DM me on Discord if you don't get in, and I'll reach out to him personally and just kind of put a little bug in his ear. Just DM me. There we go. Tagged in into the long here. Looking for the 25 banger. Let's go. If you guys haven't already hit the like button, we got 128 viewers and only 56 likes, guys. Those are rookie numbers in this racket. Can she go? We got a new 15-minute candle here in about 40 seconds. Maybe this new candle opens up and we go to the moon. Let's see. Go to the moon. Hit it, hit it, hit it. Yeah, Just Ain't Right's in there, right? Just Ain't Right, you're in there, right? I'm pretty sure you're in there. I'm like 99% you're in there. What up, Trading for Keeps? I think I heard Just Ain't Right in there dropping F-bombs before. Oracle's Discord. Oh, just hanging out, Trading for Keeps, looking for longs here. Just doing what we do every day. Trying to make money, not having to work for the man. That's what we're trying to do. Dave, I don't know, Dave. I could be. I mean, like, it's one of those things, like, I don't know a lot of people in there because, you know, I'm streaming while he's live, so it's a little, you know, I don't know everybody. Chris Hoyle, I come on sometime between 6 p.m. Eastern and 8 p.m. Eastern. Usually in the middle to end of the week, it's closer to 8 because price isn't usually doing all that much and I got family stuff going on. But Sunday I try to be on at 6, typically. So. And we usually stay on until 10 at least. Sometimes 10:30, 10:20, 10:45, 11. Really just depends. I am trading silver. We already taken one silver trade. We're up $523. Let's go, Rob. Brave man. Great trade, great trade. Let's go. There's a nice little push up there. Gold's pushing. Silver's pushing. Nasdaq's trying to push. ES is trying to get above the 30 level from earlier. It depends on the size of the bar. I'm only taking the inside bar, Chris. So I take the size of the inside bar on the 5-minute. That's how many ticks I go for, whatever the size of this bar is. So the last trade, 105 ticks, one contract. The golden pocket. Jay likes to say the golden shower pocket. Quite creative. I like it. The golden shower pocket. Hopefully you guys aren't getting showered on. Don't let them shower on you. Don't let the R. Kelly. If you see R. Kelly coming, you gotta move in a different direction. You gotta move in a different direction. Tim. I'm telling you guys, like I'm so I don't get annoyed by many things, but when I'm about to take a trade right here, and then I can't get the chart loaded in time because I was not on micros. I mean, look at that. Freaking 30 points. That's so annoying. What up, Coach Fred? Mr. Vala? You're trapped in the closet? That's all right. Did Apex deny trading gold? Yes, they did. J Stores, what up? Yeah, let me show you guys the what I do with it. What did I do with it? Well, I don't know what I did with it. We'll take a little screenshot of it again. There you go. Due to market volatility, Apex is temporarily halting trading on the following instruments: GC, SI, QI, QO, MGC, HG, PL, PA. The halt applies across all platforms: Rhythmic, TraderVate, and Wealth Charts. Affects both simulated and performance accounts. Existing positions may be flattened, but no new trades and position adds will be allowed. We are monitoring broker margin requirements for markets to determine when the instruments will be available again. There you go. Yeah, they'll probably flatten it, Denny. They'll probably flatten it. That's Apex. We trade silver on the 5-minute chart, Chris. Yeah, engine, I don't know, it's a little bit of a cop-out, let's be honest. Let's call it what it is. Let's call a spade a spade. They saw an opportunity to take away something that people were, I don't want to say everybody's profitable on it because it's probably not the case. Probably more or less more people lose than anything. But, they did it because of Brian Stonk. What happened to Stonk? Was he taking advantage of it? Probably a lot more people getting unlucky than lucky, though. I don't know. Yeah, passing accounts on Silver Alexi, I could see that. That could be a thing. That could be a thing. He was about to get a $5 million payout. Yeah, engine, exactly. One second pass on a full port, no doubt. So over leveraged with the wings being bigger, yeah. I mean, 5 million though, he must have been doing really well on silver then. The thing, Doc Tito, it's still easy to hedge if we want to get down to the, we want to get to the nitty gritty, you can still do it. So, yeah, I've never watched Brian. I don't even know. When does he trade? Does he trade live? I don't even know. 1 minute 30 EMA rejections. What chart? On Nasdaq? He moved to PR for tax purposes, but has been quiet the last few weeks. I've never seen him stream. I have no idea. Hey, let's go. We weren't even paying attention. 25 points. I just trusted that trade 100%. I didn't even need to pay attention to it. It's amazing to me, guys. We've only got one inside bar tonight on silver. 2-minute 30 EMA. Okay, is that on Nasdaq though? NQ? So we're up $132 over here on Nasdaq. Let's go. Lento or stonks. I don't know. Are Lento and Stonks, are they friends? Didn't Lento, isn't that the one that got the large payout? Oh yeah, I did see that Pawn. I didn't get to read it though. So who is that, Pawn? I don't know who that is. Just curious. Soon you're going to hear about the tomato making 1 million. Oh, he just moved. Okay, I got what you're saying. Where did he move to? Where'd you say he moved? PR. Where the hell's PR? Oh, they moved together in PR? What is PR? Am I just Puerto Rico? What the hell's PR? Okay, Puerto Rico. I was wondering. So they know each other really well then, huh? Lento and Stonk? I didn't know that. Hey, if you guys are new here and you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Let's get it going. We're giving away a 50K Rapid account from My Fun of Futures. Exclamation point MM to enter the giveaway. Uniman takes trades. Hopefully you use the code MYTH on Apex. Hopefully. Even if you didn't, that's okay. Uniman. Oh, they were friends through chat rooms. If they connect, they may have a great one. Oh. Yeah, I don't know either of them. I really didn't even know who Brian Stonk was until a couple of months ago. I kind of keep to myself for the most part. You know, I interact with some smaller streamers. That's about it. Those people get those big payouts with Apex. It's almost like one hit wonder. Yeah. But the thing is, trading for keeps, we won't really get into it. But there's kind of a reason for that. It's kind of a reason for that. Yeah, exactly. I mean, like, there could be manipulation there. Who knows? Could be some manipulation there. I don't know. It could. It's possible, though. We could say that. I'm not long anymore, but I still like the long. I mean, I would just keep buying the dips here until we kind of take out this high here. I mean, I think we could go a lot higher than that, to be honest. But let's fib the range from this morning. I don't know where we're at. Actually, yeah, I guess that did push up to OTE, though. That's the range from open, but, I mean, you could look at the entire range. If you look at the entire range, we're still at 50%. I just don't see a reason for us to go back down. I really don't. But that's just my opinion. I'm an idiot, so keep that in mind. As your accounts are rhythmic, do you have any video Quantower links set up like your screen? No, I don't show how to set my screen up, but everything is very self-explanatory. What do you want to know? Yeah, fish lips, they are. I've already taken two decent trades. There was other firms often stuff offering similar, and 2 million on Apex and 20 accounts is only 100 grand. Yeah. Let's go, Rob. Nice job. We're still in a conversation. I'm just saying somebody who makes that kind of money on a single account, like one Apex trader did, unless multiple accounts, it's an accomplishment. True. Let's go, iTrades. Great job. 1 minute, 200 EMA. Yeah, I don't have the 200 on here anymore because I've already got 3. But which one do we need to download? Yeah, just download Quantower from quantower.com. Download it. And the only thing that I do to my charts, I just make my background black. I make my numbers bigger. And I throw in a couple of little EMAs here. I really don't have anything other than that. VWAP. VWAP. That's it. That's it. Yeah.
How long do I put chicken nuggets in the air fryer?
What?
How long do I put chicken nuggets in the air fryer?
Like 8 minutes. All on gold. Nice job. Those guys are farming batches of 20 at a time. Yeah, that's crazy. Here, let me show you. This is all you do. Go to quantower.com and click download. That's it. And just go through all the installation. That's it. Yeah, she's eating chicken nuggets. She wanted to know how long to put them in the air fryer for. You know, it's a 14-year-old girl. They're going to eat what they want. The other one ate pizza. I still think we're pushing up to the 180s. I could have bought the 125 again here. I think we got back there again, didn't we? Yep, sure did. Every prop follows Top Step. I think they will, iTrades. I don't think everyone will do it, but I think some more will follow them. Thank you, Chris. Appreciate you. Yeah, or eat nothing. Exactly. Listen, that girl right there, I mean, you're lucky it's not snacks. Here's the thing, guys. Pay attention to this here. Pay attention to this. ES already took the high again, and Nasdaq has not. So that could be a kind of our first sign of maybe a move down. Could kind of be. You know, it's an SMT there. I don't use those to enter positions, but that could kind of be your first sign of maybe a push lower. Inside bar coming on silver. No, it broke it. Oh, yeah, it did break it. I'll go over it in 1 minute. Somebody just subscribed. Who was that? Gabriel Hernandez. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You demand. Pull back to the 200 EMA, Mr. Whatever, I can't say your name. Mr. Umiramontes. Yeah, don't give it back, Biblical. Shut it down. Inside bar, Mac, is very simple. On the 5-minute charts, right here. It's when a candle opens and closes inside the body of the previous candle, or inside the high and the low of the previous candle. So you can see this candle's high and low is here. This candle opened and stayed inside the high and the low of this candle. So the low almost got it, but it didn't. So that is your inside bar. And Quantower, I have it set up to paint it in white. And we've only had one inside bar on silver tonight, and it's been a winner. Yeah, shut it down, Biblical. Walk away. Walk away. What could go wrong? It's always hard to walk away. Yeah. How do you get that white bar? If you just right click, you go to indicators, add indicator, search inside bar. It'll come up right here. Bring it up, change the colors to white, and you're good. And then you put it on the time frame you want it on. I personally like it on the 5 minute. I mean, you could go down another time frame. Let's go down to 3 minute. Let's just see what would have happened tonight. So we only have one inside bar on the 5 minute. It would be interesting to kind of look at a smaller time frame. So here is one, the very first one of the night on the 3 minute. $150. It would have won, so that would have won. This is kind of interesting to look at. This one would have won. And this one would have won. So 3 for 3. This one would have won. 4 for 4. That one failed. So 4 for 5. And then this one. So this one hasn't stopped out yet. Probably 4 for 6. But I like the 5 minute. That's the time frame that I back tested. So yeah, I like it white too. It makes it a little more obvious. How do you know which way to go after the inside bar? Well, whichever side price breaks, right? I place a limit order. I'll show you. I do this here. I place a buy here. I place a sell here. And then whichever one it tags in, I cancel the other. So in this scenario, it tagged in the short and ran to the target. That's how she works. You see it on the 1 minute? Yeah, you can use it on the 1 minute too, but that'd probably be a little crazy. 810, 805. Well, yeah, the 810 candle. Yep, the 805 candle. I got a video on it also. It's not a doji candle. The doji, it doesn't matter what kind of candle it is. Target is just a 1 for 1, whatever the size of the bar is. I measure the size of the bar and I go 1 to 1. So this one was for $525. And so that was my target. And that's also my stop. Like I said, I got a video on it that maybe goes a little more deeply into it. Here, I'll bring it up. We'll bring it up. This will clear up some of the confusion. I'll go a little more in depth there. There's the video. You don't have to go watch it now, but you can watch it at your own leisure. You set your long and shorter at the top of the wicks. Yeah, so the wick, the entire candle. The entire candle, just a 1-for-1. 1 minute, 200 MA. I don't know. Where's the 200 at? Where is the 2? I will say this, guys. If ES loses the 30, I mean, look what we kind of got here, right? We kind of got this setting up. 1 touch, 2 touches, 3 touches, maybe one more, and then maybe we run down to here. So, kind of setting up there a little bit. For a potential short back down to 100. We'll see. Gold inside? Let me see. I don't see it. Oh, we do have one. Gold inside bar triggered long. It's a pretty small bar. Do I try it? You notice too that metals tend to fill previous candles. You are wrong. You are right. 115 a key level on the on Q. Yeah, I think so too. If we can hold this level. Good support for a pump. Guys, if you haven't already hit the like button for me, if you're not yet subscribed, help me out. It's free. Hit the subscribe button. Appreciate it. You'll be the man if you do it. We're coming into the top of the hour here. Got about 5 minutes. I wouldn't be shocked if we pull back into the 100 level. I don't know that we go deeper than that, potentially, but I don't want to take it. I know there's a 25-point potential there, but I'm not going to take it. I'm going to put my indicator over here on this other chart so I can kind of see what's going on a little better. 200 is at 108. Yeah, I mean, I don't hate that. I think it probably could pull back to that and test it. That's not outside the realm of possibility there. Got the VWAP down there at 104 as well. Well, getting a little pullback here on gold. The inside bar might fail. Looks like the inside bar is going to fail. And not yet. The discount expires at midnight, David, tonight. Apex as well. Man, that inside bar on gold right there it is tickling that stop. It comes so close to the stop. That's funny. If it can rip here at the top of the hour, maybe it holds and goes, but it's not looking good. We'll see. We'll see what it does. Yeah, it's about 5 points away right now from stop out. It pulled back a minute ago, like a point away. It's crazy. All right, we're about to put silver away here. Let's put silver away. It's 9 o'clock, so we're not going to be looking for the silver inside bar any longer. All right, inside bar on gold stopped out. Failed. What up? Got 60 points. Let's go. Nice. I think I got 50 tonight so far. Daily chart for ETF metals and stocks. They have potential for longs in the following days. Let's go. Lego. Gold's dumping now. Do I want to buy the... I think I'm going to buy the 100 level potentially. I do think that if we pull back to the 100 level, we could kind of go. But I don't know that it gets down there, to be honest. It might not. You broke a problem, but able to pick up a couple of shorts. Let's go. Joom here. Design knob. Silver. 1 for 1 tonight on silver design. 1 for 1. Not a bad night. One and done. All right, there's 9 o'clock. What's silver doing? It's pulling back. Looks like gold might take out that 958 level. She appears to be sheddeth diabeteth. Yeah. Yeah, design's in here. Oh, you piece of junk. What this thing is just... It just dropped so hard right there. What is it doing? Gold's trying to get down to that 58 level, looks like. $57 level, maybe? It's easy and that's money. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. Push this thing down. I'm short gold here, guys, by the way. I'm looking for the low, the swing low here. Come on, get down there. As soon as I hit I was hitting short at like 79, and it dropped like 8 points right when I hit it. Silver's to my accounts as June is to everyone else's. Yeah. So it's kind of holding up right there at my entry right now. It's a little annoying. Oh. Jonathan, right now I think it's like 25. We lost some. Inside bar to appear white. Yeah, you can. Alan, all you gotta do is go to indicators and change the colors. Go to indicator and change the color. Oh, I forgot I don't have it on there. I'll show you in a second. I'll show you in 1 second. I'm in a gold trade, so I'm trying to watch it. Come on, rip it lower here. Rip it lower. Ninja Trader? Yeah, there's one on Ninja Trader too. No, I didn't copy all of them, Jonathan. I think I was in like 7 or 8 accounts. I stopped copying them all at one time. That was the only trade I took in the fundeds today, though. I'm annoyed because like it's moving down nice and quick, and then I get into the trade and it starts holding up. I think it's gonna go. I would like to see this candle close very heavy. Oh, there's the 100, guys. I'm not even watching Nasdaq right now. Come on. I'm putting my stop in. I don't want to get wrecked here. I do like the way that candle's closing, though. So, yeah, it's going to go now. All right, it's fine. Oh, I wanted to buy 100 here. It just stopped me out. And now it's going to go. You dirty mother trucker. Oh, I'm gonna wait. But yeah, as far as the inside bar goes, just get the indicator, search inside bar. It's right there. And then when you bring it up, change the colors here to white. That's it. That sorry mother trucker. I knew it was gonna do that too. I knew it was gonna do that. God dang it. It would have hit my first target there. Rude. So rude. Let's go, Mr. Yuma Ramontes. Nice job. Well, gone down low. Well, we kind of broke that VWAP there. Again, that SMT was kind of your first sign of the pullback. ES losing the 30 there. It's kind of your second sign. There's no real goal flux. We got good likes right now. Let's go. Nice job. Trend is up. Yeah, for sure. Gold's pulling back here. Back to the open price here on Nasdaq. Yeah, no worries. Would have hit my target there on gold, of course. Of course. Come on, gold. Rip it. Get up there. Rip it up. Come on. You got more. Go. There we go. A little bit off that. Not much. Up 315 for the night. Let's go. Just ain't right. Nice job. Get me to 10K subs. Short squeeze. Let's go. Yeah, I was looking for a little reclaim there on gold. I got stopped out of my short, so I took a little scalp bounce there. Nothing crazy. I try to pull the chart over, guys, when I'm in a trade, but sometimes it doesn't happen. I'm thinking a bounce at 44. What do you guys think? You think a bounce at 44? What up, Jose? Silver's. Where's that? Here? Now I gotta get you guys pulled back up. Y'all disappeared. Buyers stepping in, maybe. I was trying to buy this level. I shorted off this here. I'm annoyed with myself about the short. I don't know. I was in two micros though, and so I think that's why I was like a little hesitant there. Target was the low. I moved the stop in too early. Yeah, it's definitely a little weak bounce. I'm looking for just a couple of little... I mean, again, I think down here's the best level to look for, but you could certainly buy some of these other levels. We'll see. We could try to buy down here. I mean, again, we're not looking for much here. Gold just cost you 500. That sucks. You like the dark background? Yeah, me too. Oh my gosh, guys. That thing just missed me by a tick or two. Look at that shit. Now it got me in. Alright. Go. Go. Get it. Go get it, nasty. Or no, this is not nasty girl. This is gold. I don't know what. I don't have a name for gold. I don't have a name for gold. What do we call gold? I don't have all of them, Coach Fred. We're down to like 25. I don't know the exact number. I haven't counted them lately, but somewhere around 25. I started trading them in blocks of 5, and I lost a couple of blocks. No! I almost wonder if I should be taking the back door. Oh, you're doing minis? Yeah, that's crazy. Let's go. Nice job. Silver's just straight dumping here, guys, so I got to be careful. Silver is just like... Silver's all the way down here. Look at Nasdaq just ripping lower here. It's crazy. I'm going to put the stop in, guys. I don't like how silver looks. This needs to bounce now if it's going to bounce. Yeah, I'm okay with that. I'm not even going to play around with that. I mean, I know, like, you know, they do correlate a little bit. Yeah, ES shut the bed too for sure. All the way down to 911. Good thing I didn't buy that 25 100 level, huh? I tried for the bounce there, just didn't get it. Wow, look at silver just freaking go, man. Holy cow. I mean, it's the thing, it comes so close and bounces, and then I try to get it afterwards, and it doesn't work. I guess I should be front running the levels there. Yeah, lost pennies crazy. How much you giving micros? 150? Rope? I don't know. I just kind of play it by feel. All right, I'm going to buy this level again. Even though it kind of already tested it once. With the thought process that I'm going to just DCA. Let's go. Lego, Lego. You should have stayed short. Yeah, maybe we should have. I don't know. I wasn't short. I mean, but I did say that the SMT at the high was your first sign, right? I mean, we did talk about that. But I don't just take a trade based off an SMT. Yeah, silver is just freaking going down one trade a day. It is just, it's all the way down to 80 off that 90 level. Oh, is that it? No. That one inside bar on silver paid is still paying. That's insane. This is crazy. Gold's still a bit stronger. I'm not a huge fan of catching the falling knives, but so be it. Oh yeah, Flux, I drew these out. Let's go, Mr. Umiranta, whatever, can't say it. Silver taking the low. Maybe. 16 ticks at a time. Let's go, design. You wild, wild man. Yeah, gold might follow, but it may not. It may not. Silver just broke, so it did break structure there. I don't know. I'm still going to look for these little micro bounces. Got most of that second 3-minute leg down. Got out for 924.9. Could have probably stayed a little more. Nice job. Guys, all I'm drawing here, like, there's no rocket science involved in these levels. These are simply the bodies of the 5-minute candles that create a swing. Right? So I'm just looking for candles that create a swing. Right? This is a swing. There's the body. This is a swing. There's the body. You see what I'm saying? There's no rocket science involved in these levels at all. Now, is every one of these going to be respected? No. But look here. Nice, right? This one here, we really didn't get a bounce. It tried. Got a little bounce, but not one that I trusted, right? Actually, it did bounce the second time. But this one's getting a nice reaction off of it. I don't know why gold reacts so well to the bodies of the 5-minute candles on the swings. But it does. I mean, it just does. I don't know why. It's just something that I noticed. One was a scalp for 850 that didn't even register for 1 second. So, oh, you do the same? Yeah, I don't know why. I was just paying attention one day and I noticed that. Yeah, Mo, I called Donald Trump and I said, yo, jump on Truth Social, talk shit about these prop firms banning the metals, and next thing you know, down we go. So, you only need an IQ of 90 to become a profitable trader. So, back down to the 25K, we swept it to 960. Could have taken a level-to-level trade there. Could have. We'll see. Well, let me get my order ready here. Like, what would be my stop out here? I mean, the most logical place would be this wick. You know. Silver still has only had the one inside bar, and it is still paying. You do heavy lines on the hourly and the 15 and use the wicks, and then bodies of the 5 minutes. Let's go. We ain't seen nothing yet, says Ponzi. Going in for another short on Nasdaq. Probably not a bad idea. I mean, we're retesting the EMA here. We have, if we are truly bearish here, right? If we're truly bearish, this should hold. I talk about this all the time during my stream. It's just one way to kind of know, right? If this is truly bearish, we should not get through we shouldn't get through this 2-minute gap. You could short it here and just throw your stop here. Around 40 points of risk. You could. Here's the thing to consider. Are we in discount of the range? Yes. We're back down to OTE. We're tapping into an order block here. So that's a pretty bullish reaction out of that level. But if this holds, and what you could do is wait for confirmation. Short it here with your stop here and target the low. You don't have to take the short blindly in this gap because we don't know if it's going to hold. Wait for a little confirmation that it is actually going to hold. 30-second IFEG, let's go. Check it down. Also, kind of looking at the ES, it's at 69.13. It's not unreasonable to think that the ES could push back up to 69.30, right? That could put us back up there at that previous day close, that 108-ish level, and just kind of see. Just one teeny tiny itsy bitsy minute bounce on silver will absolutely positively destroy you, even if you're short on this dump. Hussein, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. And also, you know, like, if we're paying attention to the bodies of the swings here, you can also use this for shorts, right? You could think that on gold, maybe, you know, maybe, I don't know, possibly. Out of 5 level trade. Yeah, I didn't take that one. I didn't take that one. I wanted to buy at 100 and I decided not to. Easier to make it, the more mechanical you can make it your crap, the easier it is to believe in. Yeah, exactly. Guys, we're only 24 subscribers away from 8,800. If you could help me out here, call your mom, your sister, your brother, your wife, your lover, her boyfriend, your cousin, your dog, your cat, your goldfish. Get them in there, hit the subscribe button, get your kids' tablets. I don't know. Sign into your alt accounts. Hit the like button. Let's go. And the subscribe button. You the man, Josh. Guys, remember, Apex 90% off sale does end tonight. Use code MYTH if you want to help support the channel. MYTH. All the other prop firms, the code is going to be MM. Bulenox 89% off ends tonight as well. Your wife, lover, and your boyfriend all use the same YouTube. God dang it. Trading for keeps. I thought that they would at least separate them. Hey, let's go. Mad 300 GT. Oh, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You're the man. You can have a talk with them. Perfect. Nice job, Dave. Dave, let's go. I've been using code JOOM all along. In that case, I'm sure you're thriving. So now you would short 36. And theoretically speaking, you could short here and you could just put your stop here to be a little safer. I don't know. I'm not sure about this. Do I try it? I don't know. What's a YouTube? Exactly. All right, I'm going to try it. For the stream. For the stream. No. Your dog, your goldfish, and your cat, they all subscribed when I brought up the alt account thing last night. Let's go. What's up, Alfredo? Inside bar on silver, indeed. Long inside bar. After 9, I'm not taking it. But there is a inside bar on silver here. It's got a $1,130 stop. So you're going to need to take that inside bar up to about 900. 83,900. 83,900. We're going to watch silver for 1 minute while it's got... Bro, that's not where I told you to go. I told you to go here. That's the target on silver off this inside bar. Didn't I take out the previous loss of the 10-minute candle? This was your reason to enter. Yeah. I did not hear that, Agina. So, what do I got to risk here? $100. Not a good look for the short here. That was kind of my fear here. Got to stop where it needs to be, so let's see what happens. You got no friends or family? I don't believe you. Want to see the goldfish try to follow me? Come on. They will. Silver could have made you $2.7 billion trillion. Tory trades 10 lines. Hit them likes. Come on, let's go. Silver's kind of stalling here a little bit. If this bar was smaller, if it wasn't a $1,000 stop, I might have given it a try. Anybody considering a scalp short up here at 66? Smash the confetti if you're grabbing bags. You're long in gold room. I'm thinking about shorting gold. He threw him on the keyboard. He wanted to go back in the bowl. Oh, goodness. Scalpy with 5 micros. Let's go. Chris, the inside bar is pretty simple. It's just a 5-minute inside bar. Stays inside the high and the low of the previous candle on the 5 minutes. So this candle here is an inside bar. Looks like we're going to get stopped out potentially here, guys. Ray J, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. I heard Ray J was in poor health. You went in short silver now with Joom's account. What up, Solo? I have a bad feeling about this trade here. You know what? I don't like it. I'm going to kill it. I mean, I'm just going to kill it. I don't like it. I mean, I guess to be fair, we don't have a lot of momentum here. It could reject the 21. I'm just going to kill it. Protect a few dollars. Why not? You know, stay green. It's your funded accounts, Ray. Let's go. I was seeing if gold would make it up to the 66 level. The only thing is, like, where would I put my stop? I don't know. I'd have to risk a little bit on it. Let's see if silver hit the target. Oh, look at silver. Anybody in that silver long? I'm not. Bang! Bink! Bink! You entered on the 60 of their swing high inside the imbalance over there and then move up. Nice. Going for another short on Nasdaq with a very tight stop. I mean, it could work. Yeah, I'm looking for the gold short, actually. Or long down here. I mean, the short could be a little but I don't know that we're going to get it. See, we did close above here. I don't know. Excuse me. MGC is nice to trade. It is. I don't mind it. Didn't quite get up there to where we were wanting it to. Silver banged the target there. But whoever was asking about the inside bar, you can see that's the high and the low of the previous candle, and this candle opened and closed inside the high and the low. Stayed inside the high. So, man, gold's probably, look at that. It just did not give me the entry, man. Come on, bro. Come on, man. That's rude. So yeah, it looks like I probably would have been stopped out over here. So I saved myself like $50. We're going to roll back down to the VWAP on M&Q? Maybe. I don't know. It's there now. I don't. Man, would that have stopped me? I don't think that would have stopped me. Interesting. Easy pips.
Get on the other side.
Adam shorting Q2. I guess I just maybe was, I don't know. I didn't trust it all that much. What indicators on my charts? Well, we got yellow line's VWAP. The red is the 21 EMA. The 9 is the blue line. The white is the 50. We got pivot points. That's the blue here. And yeah, that's about it. Inside bar over here is on this chart. It just paints the inside bars for me. That's really it. I got ATR down there. We got a 31 ATR, which is a really, really good size ATR for this time of night. Little old school, that's right. The yellow lines, that's me drawing out the swings. I'm drawing out the swings on the 5 minute. So that's the methodical man indicator. I just draw those out. Missing a few, rumor has it you have to have at least 12 indicators on one chart to be profitable. Yeah. You're still targeting 135. Yeah, the market's definitely moving. So I would have been stopped there. I don't know. I don't know. I was just kind of spooked out by that short, to be honest. I think that the short with the ES retesting the 30 might be the better short. I think that puts us maybe up into like 110 range. Something like that. Maybe a little higher. Inside bar on silver again? Wow. Well, maybe. Yeah, of course, room. Oh, outside bar. More screen, more monies. Well, we know we got 4 screens, so. YM's pushing up too here, guys. YM a little more range bound. What's the blue thing next to my name? What are you talking about? The wrench? It means you're a moderator? What are you talking about, Room? Oh, a trail of unwanted colonoscopies. It's pulling back. My P&L's down here. $5.23 on silver. We're up $64 on the other stuff. I took a loss here, and I took a loss on gold earlier. So we are 2 wins on Nasdaq, 1 loser, and then basically a win and 2 losses on gold, or 2 wins and a loss. I can't remember. Very small green. 15 points. Let's go. That's a pretty good reaction. Do I try it again? If I try it again, it's going to have a static stop here. Stop would have to be like right there. Well, won't let me put it there yet. $90. Let me see what you're talking about. $3 a.m. I must be lonely. Are you talking about gold? That just means you're a mod. Room, that's all it is. 15-minute IFVG's holding. Do we have a 15-minute? That's a tiny one. We'll see. You're a little punch drunk tonight. Still up from this stream 2 nights ago. We're supposed to take a nap today, but my 3-year-old wasn't having anything to do with that. Let's go. Still long on gold. I don't know, man. I'm okay. I'm going to take the long on gold down here. I mean, theoretically, we could still bounce like right here in this area again. I'm going to pull silver back over here because I want to see what it's doing. Let's go, Lost Penny. Great job. Silver needs a diaper. It does. Trying to go lower now. It's an happiness. How many people are in the giveaway? We got 202 in the giveaway, 154 in here. We might shotgun this thing. Look at it bounce again. I'm going to be a little bit aggressive here, I think. Kind of trying to see what's going to happen here before I decide to drop an order. Yeah, you can. Room, for sure. Can't trade metals with Apex anymore. Not right now. 50K My Funded Futures Rapid account. You piece of junk. I did not get it dropped in time. I looked away for 1 second. I looked away for 1 second, y'all. God dang it. That's the second time tonight I've done that. Yeah, I was looking for a long. Let's go, Adam. Stop at 100. I'm so annoyed at myself, guys. I kind of think, I don't know, Josh. I think the key is what happens at 69.30 on the ES. That's kind of the key. FOMO is the way. Just hit the buy button now. Just hit the buy button right now. Man, I cannot believe I missed that. And now if I take it, you know what's going to happen. Oh, man. I don't know, guys. That is super annoying. Now I don't know if I want to leave it on there now. I guess I'll still take it, but I'm going to be less aggressive on the entry here. I'm just going to go ahead and jump in. It's going to be kind of annoying if it dumps below this wick here. Man, I could have had a much better... I don't know. I'm misplaying this pretty badly. Might end up costing me. Yeah, silver pushing lower again, too. Did this tag me in? What happened? Why did this freeze? What happened here? Oh, shit. That's what happened. Oh, tagged in the short over there on the EQ. Try to be patient with this gold trade if I can. Big bounce off that level, but unfortunately, I'm already in from up there, so... kind of annoying. Trust is going to be the 50K account from My Funded Futures. This is the annoying part of this. Like, the trade works. And, like, I'm in a stupid position for it to, you see what I'm saying? Like, it's just so dumb. I should have been out with 2 winners there. Instead, I'm going to take a loss. That's annoying. This is the only thing I can count on here. I mean, that's the most annoying thing in the world, man. Now I'm down 700. That should have been a win here. I didn't get the order down in time, and then this should, I mean, like every one of these levels should have been a win, and I took a loss. So annoying. That is so annoying there. The annoyance is real, guys. Yeah, those are the levels that we had marked out, so. Yeah, it's an eval show, but still. Just kind of an annoying. Short from 60, yeah, nice. Not bad. No, Adam, I'm not going to chase the short. Not going to chase it. I just misplayed that. Like, I should be green on those plays. Instead, I mismanage them. To my eye. I hate it when I do that. What up, Jip Smith? Oh, well, 10 points. As long as you get part of the move, that's all that really matters. We just have to try to fight back. That's all we can do. Oh, my goodness. That sucks. Biblical? No, I'm fine. I'm just annoyed. Like, it's just annoying, right? It's so annoying. Boo, boo. Silver on crack, yeah. Silver's just ripping lower. You would hold for a swing or a low or something, didn't follow your plan. That's alright, though. Ugh. Blown 30 evals gambling on silver. Alright, there's our target on NQ. Down 678 now. Didn't bring tears. Rough, rough, rough. Gold got me there. I know not to. I know to wait for the level, and I know not to take the second test, and I did both of that. I didn't wait for the level. I took the second test. So. Yeah, that's what they're trying to do, right? You going along on NQ? I'm going to try another bounce on gold. I just got my limit order sitting there now at the 42.7. Is it with Apex, Josh? Now, why does this freeze every time it tags me into a trade? What's going on with that? If it's with Apex, you can't trade it with anymore. Yeah, you can't trade it with them anymore. We will have fees for test accounts if it's not allowed, if it's not moved to pro. Say that again? I'm long on gold again, but it's not looking like it's wanting to bounce. I'm trying to look left and see where it could maybe bounce at. See if we can get a push back up here. Just taking this one last stab here on gold. All right, got out of it. Yeah, probably so. So TPT, after 30 days, we will have fees for test account if it's not moved to pro. Yeah, of course, they'll rebill you. You should delete all charts for everything permanently. No, you'll be good. Too many folks making payouts metals with Apex. I don't know. I honestly don't think payouts have anything to do with it. Now, maybe there might be a one-off here or there, but I think in large part people are losing money on the metals. But I could be wrong. You were catching the knife? Me too, Josh. Not on silver, but on gold. On gold for sure. I mean, silver kind of has already ran most of the levels. Next stop, 71. And it's at 76 here, kind of trying to find a bottom. You built a 9K buffer on NQ. Let me try silver, and then you burned it. Jay turned things around with gold. Yeah. The thing is, like, gold respects the levels, but you gotta respect it. You can't do what I just did. You cannot, you can't buy before the level. You can't take the second test. I know that, and I did it anyway. Jay is bankrupting Apex with metals? No, trust, not at all. Nowhere near. Oh, turn around to your 11.0 dog. Oh, dang. 2K left. Yeah. If you see tiny portion of the 5-minute candle on silver that blew the account with the instant 3,000. Long gold now? No, I'm not long now. I'm not using any indicators on gold. None. My gold chart is blank. I'm just marking out the levels where I think bounces should occur. So, like, you got no bounce here, but now you got a decent bounce off this level. So, $1 profit each trade? No. Or one. Well, I go for 100 ticks. Yeah, which is like 1 point. No, is that 1 point? That's 10 points. Oh, breaks for high and lows. That's what you work for. Yeah, the trend lines actually do work there. Yeah, I mean Jay's doing well. He's doing well on the gold, but yeah, it's a small drop in the bucket. Small drop in the El Bucketo. On gold, 100 ticks is 10 points. It's like $100. On micro gold, on MGC, if it was, I guess if it was GC, that'd be $1,000. $1,000 make you holla. I'm really gonna have to work hard today to get out of that hole that I built there on gold. So, yeah, too many. I don't do that. I don't do that craziness. I'd probably be wrecked immediately on that. No, one tick is not $200. Two minis, it's 10 ticks is $100, right? Wait, am I thinking of that wrong? Yeah, 10 ticks should be $100 on one mini. Lone Wolf, is that right? Why is gold falling? I don't know. It's not that bad. Gold got me too, room. I don't feel like gold got me. I feel like I got myself there. I got myself. Yeah, that's the problem. My charts are freezing. Anybody else's charts freezing? Yeah, one ticket's $10. Yep, and mini and gold. So, if not, yeah, I don't know why I'm out of freezing. Yeah, you got to be patient with all of it. Even on micro gold, like it can still rip your face off pretty quickly. Inside bar working on silver. It's not. Yeah, there's not. It didn't form yet. It broke it. Pip. So pip is like a. It's forex, right? What is a pip? Is that a forex term? I don't really know, to be honest. I think it's a forex thing, right? Oh man, guys, what do I do to get my money back? Smallest increment of the instrument can move. I got you. It has a whole nother reason, a whole nother meaning. What is said meaning, Coach? Ajinka. Yeah, M and Q or NQ kind of reversed off the VWAP there. I don't know. I got spooked because it didn't hold this. So, although I didn't look at the 5 minute to see if there could have been a gap in the 5 minute too. Uh, how do I get my software to be full screen? Well, this is just Quantower. There's no tabs, so this is not web based. This is not web based. Could be a nice little long opportunity here. You were short on silver, and it bounced. Oh goodness. 4,700 is the low. Silver's bouncing a little bit. No, it's not a dumb question, Christian. There's no such thing. Yeah, Knob's always going to be messing with silver. I don't know why they freeze like that. I'm actually getting data latency on silver right now. That's crazy. That is insane. Why am I getting data latency? Oh, no worries, trade for keeps. We know what you mean. Ain't got no time. Isn't data latency an advantage? No, not really. It freezes your chart, so there's not really any advantage to it at all. Instead of swallowing swords and putting himself on fire, he gambles on props. He might. The faster you see, the faster you can react. Well, I don't see it, though. That's the problem. Just kind of watching here. Nasdaq working its way back up a little bit. If it could push back up into the 25.030 area, I might consider a short. $200 short? I don't know. I don't know if we got 200 more points in us tonight. Maybe we do. I really don't know. Guys, I'm going to do the giveaway here in just a minute. I actually forgot about it. Let me check and see how many people are in it. We're going to do the shotgun. Get your accounts ready. Get your alt accounts ready. I'm going to do a shotgun for 2 minutes. So you'll have 2 minutes to enter the giveaway. It'll be !MM once I let you guys know that it's going to start. Got a couple of minutes here to try to get your accounts ready. Let's go, Dave. Nice job. Not yet, guys. Wait. I'm going to tell you when. So if you're not yet subscribed and you're watching, you won't be able to enter if you're not subscribed. So you know what to do. I'll do a little countdown here and we'll get started on it in just a moment. All right, guys, we're going to open the giveaway here in 5 seconds. And go. 2 minutes to get in. !MM in the chat. There's the timer there. Well, hey, MHD, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Triple J850, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you guys for your subscription. You the man. Dollar Dream. No, wait, that ain't it. Never mind. That was the same one. Yeah, it's crazy. Conviction. We have been trading gold, and we've been trading the silvers tonight, too. Guys, you got... Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't realize that disappeared. 20 seconds. !MM to get in there. 20 seconds. Top. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Five seconds. God dang it. Order Flow Master. Congratulations, you are the winner. Are you here? Please make yourself known or forever hold your peace. Speak now, Order Flow Master. No, they didn't send an email. They just posted in the Discord, as far as I know. Order Flow Master, where you at? Skull Cruncher, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You demand. Order Flow Master, send me an email to methodicalman@gmail.com. I want you to click on the top right-hand corner here. Show me that you're logged into your YouTube channel. Screenshot it. Send me your MyFundedFutures email that you use for your login. Your mother's maiden name, last four of your credit card number, baby's DNA, all the stuff. Send it all over to me. Yes, design all metals. You cannot even trade the micros. Mo. Oh, it's a 50K rapid account from MyFundedFutures. Yeah, we need the blood type. We need all that. It's just the rapid. The more expensive one. All right, Izzy Lizzy, appreciate you. See you tomorrow. All the things. We need all the things. Thank you, Izzy Lizzy. I appreciate that. Baby mama names. We don't need that. We don't need that. All right, Sovereignty, appreciate you. Don't forget the semen sample. All right, Order Flow, thank you, man. Appreciate you. He's got child support to pay. Maybe that's the problem. No more inside candles, no. I'll only take them up until 9 p.m. I might take a trade on Nasdaq, though. We'll see. Stool sample. Stool sample would be perfect. I'll pass. I shall pass on the stool sample. Stool sample is a no thank you. Hard pass. Well, we're still trying to fight over here. Stool sample care of Scott at Fast Track. Let's go. Got to make sure he's not on one. The PhDs, that's right. Hard pass on the constipation. Yeah. Oh, goodness, guys. This thing is just... all right, now we're starting to get a little movement to the downside there on the gold. What do you need? What do we need here? I don't even know. Let's see. 10 points is 100, right? No, that's just not what I wanted to do. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, exactly. You don't really learn from me, but you know, it is what it is. Did men ever grow up? Of course not. I have no idea what that means, design. I'm trying to see if gold's going to kind of turn back down here or not. I mean, silver's trying to work its way back up. How many micros? $60, maybe. Too many. Way more than you need. You need one or two. That's it. Yeah, silver's trying. So is gold. They trying. Guys, we only need 13 more subs to get to 8,800. Silver can go suck it. And by it, what do you mean? P-Long. All right, appreciate you. Gonna try long. I don't hate it, but honestly, this looks like it's just generating liquidity to go down. James S. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. Good man. What do you guys think gold and silver are going to do here? Are they going up or not? I feel like they're going down. Well, gold's trying. Oh. What up, insider trading? The night was going good until we kind of broke our rules on gold and it burned us a little bit. But it's all right. Maybe when, I mean, I think we can work ourselves back. That's the thing. I don't know if we can do it tonight, but maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow. You got wrecked when NQ dropped. Yeah, luckily I wasn't in it. I thought about longing there, but I didn't. I did participate in a short on NQ that worked out. I mean, I'm 3 for 4 on NQ, and then I just took that one loss on gold, and it just kind of sucks. I didn't trade it very well. Certainly could have done it better, but you know, a little hindsight there, I guess. Silver definitely the weaker indice here, or the weaker metal. I mean, I do feel like silver's trying to push its way back up. Oh, you blew 5 evals. Bitcoin to 71. Dang. Silicone, what did you send me an email for? What'd you send an email for? Let me see. Are you saying that you want an account, Silicone? When did you win an account? Because I'm pretty sure. Let me just double check my. Yeah, I'm looking to see here. Yesterday? You did not win yesterday, Silicon. What are you talking about? Dun, 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 dun. Oh, that sucks, Jabra. Give me dollars. Yesterday's winner was yesterday. That was I don't want to say the person's real name. Yeah, that was Sovereignty. And the day before was Entmont Daily. And the day before that was Enna Koper. I don't see you on here. Let me see. What was your name again? Let me see. Silicon Alpha. I don't know, man. I don't remember. I don't remember you winning. Asia yesterday. You definitely didn't win Asia yesterday. That was Sovereignty. What up, Rune? Why do you think you won? I don't know why Silicon thinks that you won. Silicon Alpha. I don't remember you at all. And I'm pretty good, but let me double check. Let me just make sure. I mean, I don't know why you think you won. I'm gonna double check it though. Hold on. So you didn't win last night. You won 2 nights ago. So that's 2 nights ago, Silicon Alpha, not last night. And that was that should have been an Apex account, right? Did you not email me that night? What up, Gabor? Yeah, that looks like that was was that not an Apex account, Silicon? This looks like that's what that was. Yes, Edna, they did. Those accounts do not rebill, however, they cancel after 30 days. So, now, oh, you didn't win, Mo? I mean, the cool thing is I can go back and look, you know? I can go back and look. I mean, if you won, you won. You know what I mean? I don't care. I'll take care of you, but that's why I like for you to send the email the day of, because otherwise it's so tough for me to kind of keep up with it, you know? But yeah, I mean, if you want a My Funded Futures account, I'll hook you up with it, but you got to send me your My Funded Futures email. What up, Pine Tree? Uh, send me your. You have to send me your My Funded Futures email. I don't know if you did. Did you? Let me see. Yeah, I don't see your email. Are you using the same email? uh, let's go trading for keeps. Risk at break even. I like it. Yeah, Edna, that sucks. I did say it earlier, so yeah, you'll have to send me your My Fund to Futures email. Yeah, trading for keeps. I know. I remember it was an Apex. I mean, it's okay. It's not that big a deal. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. It'll be all right. Mm-hmm. Mm. Let me see here. Oh. Jen, yeah. Yeah, no worries. All right, Silicon, appreciate you. Yeah, gold is golding. It's kind of rejection off that level. Yeah, they don't have the core accounts anymore. They just have Rapid, Flex, and Pro now. They replaced the core with a Flex account. Oh, all right, guys. I think I'm gonna call it here. I overstayed my welcome by 25 minutes, ending up down $727 over here, up $523 there. That's gonna do it for me. We'll be back tomorrow. Yeah, I accidentally called it the Lucid Flex on the stream the other day, so appreciate you, STMP. We'll be back tomorrow. We'll try our best to make it back to green. Whether or not we're able to, I don't know. But if you haven't already, hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed on your way out. And I'll see you guys tomorrow at 9:15 a.m. for the New York session. Have a good night.
Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.